An espresso machine works by using hot water and high pressure to extract the flavor and caffeine from finely ground coffee beans. The process starts by filling a portafilter with ground coffee and tamping it down to create a compact puck. The portafilter is then attached to the machine and hot water is forced through it at a pressure of around 9 bars, creating a concentrated shot of espresso. There are several types of espresso machines, but most operate on the same basic principles. Pump-driven machines use an electric pump to force the water through the coffee, while lever machines require the user to manually pull down the lever to create the necessary pressure. Some espresso machines also include a milk frother, which uses steam to heat and froth milk for use in cappuccinos, lattes, and other espresso-based drinks. The frother typically consists of a wand that is inserted into a pitcher of milk, and the steam is released by turning a valve.